today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a thrift haul. This is only quite a small one. I didn't get too much. We popped up to the high street and we had an hour on the parking, so it was kind of a rapid trip. But I got a couple of really good pieces, so I thought I would share them with you guys. So if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I'm going to do this in no particular order, but I'm going to start off with this. This was from Oxfam. It was $5.99, and it is actually something for Justin, who is my other half. And I always keep an eye out for men's clothes. They don't tend to have too much men's stuff, but I saw this. It is a double XL, which might be a bit too big for him, but I thought it was quite cute. And it's got this gorgeous kind of Nike detail down the side, and then the embroidered logo. And I just thought this was really cute, really smart. And I actually think that maybe him having this a bit oversized would look quite cute, whether it's with white jogging bottoms or black jeans, whatever. I thought this actually could look quite smart. And as it is a little bit bigger, might have a little bit more room. This was $5.99, which is a bit more than I normally tend to pay, but as it's Nike, it's in really good condition. I kind of understand why they'd price it like that, and it's sort of more of a fancy Nike top than just like an everyday sort of one. So I really liked that, so I thought I'd pick that up, and hopefully he will like that. He hasn't seen it yet. I'm giving that to him tonight. Then also from Oxfam, shock horror, I got a black top with florals on. But this was $2.99. It's in a size 14. It's originally Primark, which I always say I'm going to steer clear of in the charity shop. So I actually find quite a lot of nice pieces, and I thought this was quite nice. So just this little blouse, and I thought this is quite good kind of going into summer, as it is a short sleeve, and I thought this would be a good one, just chucking with jeans. And these things are so easy to wear, as I say in all my videos, with leggings, with jeans, with anything really. And for the price, for $2.99, I thought that's really good. And I just love the florals. I'll show you the back so you can see more in detail. I just love the florals, and it's a bit more autumnal florals. I don't know, I really love the florals on this, and I thought that was a really cute piece, and I just really liked it. I really loved the fabric, and just I thought the flowers were gorgeous on that one. So this is the blouse. I must admit, when I first put it on, I thought, I don't really like the shape. I'll show you what it looks like, because untucked, the shape is a bit strange on me, I feel like. But tucked in, I love this. I love the shape, even more when it's tucked in. I also found that the colours are really flattering on my skin tone, and I quite like kind of the puffy sort of accent on the sleeves. I think it just gives it more something than just having a button-up kind of shirt. But I do think it's really comfortable. Material isn't the best. It's Primark, so it's a tiny bit scratchy, but nothing uncomfortable. And I'm just super happy with the buttons also. They are just a plastic button, but I really like kind of the sleekness of them. I like how they're just black. And I think this is really fun. I think this is kind of maybe a bit too autumnal for the weather at the moment, where it's kind of, yeah, getting warmer. And I feel that these flowers are a little bit autumnal, but I really like them. I feel like it's a good transitional piece then from autumn into, well, from summer into autumn, because you kind of got the loose sleeves. And I think it's super cute. It's supposed to be an everyday one for me, not a dressy one, but I love it. It's very fun and very cute and super cheap, so I'm very happy. And then I got, this was from Marie Curie. This was £4. It was new with tags, and initially this was £25, so that's quite a lot of money I saved there. It's in a size 16, I believe. Yeah, a size 16. It's originally from New Look, and it's this gorgeous kind of, is it embroidery anglaise or something? This material, and it's just this gorgeous yellow colour. It's got a stretchy waist, and it's sort of a midi sort of length. I just thought it's really cute. It's got some sort of lining in the front as well, sort of in the front, underneath as well, to kind of keep you all covered. But I thought this is really cute. I thought I could wear this like plain black top, plain white top, and it's just quite a universal kind of nice skirt. So I thought that was really nice and fun. And as it's summer, I thought I should get some more summer pieces. Definitely will be wearing my Chub Rub shorts underneath that. So here is the skirt on. I must admit, when I first put it on, I thought this does maybe make me look a bit hippie and a bit bottom heavy. But actually, it changed my top into one of my slinky bodysuits that I love. And I think really slimming down your waist and kind of the top area then means that you don't kind of look as big. I also think this is a perfect Disney bound skirt if you're going as Belle or Snow White or something like that. I just think this is a really gorgeous yellow, and I've been trying to incorporate a lot of yellow into my wardrobe because it makes me really happy. Although I do feel like I need a bit of a tan, but for £4, I literally can't complain with this skirt. It fits really nice. I'm about between a a 12 to 16 kind of, so this being a 14, it fits really nicely, or a 16, sorry, and I just really like it, and I think it's really cute and fun. It feels quite nice and tight and secure around my stomach, and I think it is good for kind of floating over. So if you are the sort of person that's a little bit bloated or is a bit insecure of their tummy area, then I found midi skirts like this so good. My other ones have been a bit thinner and a bit more kind of floaty, but not as... This is quite structural down the bottom. Where the material is quite stiff, it is kind of sits puffed out a little bit. Whereas my other ones are a bit more slinky and kind of probably a bit more cheap and kind of just go down straight away. But I really like this. I think it's very fun, and I think it's perfect for summer. And yes, very Disney boundy. I feel like I need to put on some yellow ears and yeah, live my best life in my yellow skirt. Then also I picked up from British Art Foundation for £10.99, which is a bit more money than I normally like to spend. However, I have been looking for black jumpsuits to wear for work for so long, and every time I go in the charity shops I look out and I want stretchy black jumpsuits that are comfy, easy to chuck on for work, can do massages in them, whatever, so short sleeve. And I found this one. It's originally from Marks and Spencer's, and it is this gorgeous kind of slinky fabric, which I think is maybe why they priced up a bit more. Now this does look quite dressy off. I haven't tried it on yet, but I thought this I could probably dress down anyway and just wear it for work, and I thought this would be super cute. It's in a size 16, I believe, and it's got this gorgeous stretchy elasticated waist, and I just thought this would be super practical for work. And yeah, if I like it enough to wear it outside, maybe I will. I'll let you know in the try on clip. But I think I brought it for work, and I was actually looking on Depop to get some, which there is definitely going to be a Depop haul coming soon, so I've ordered a couple of pieces. And I was looking on Depop for something specific. So what I do is, I obviously charity shop quite a lot. I'll go to them maybe once or twice a week. But what I also do is, if there's specific things I'm after, say a black jumpsuit, or the other day I wanted kind of black strapless top, I will specifically look for that, because obviously it's easier to search and find the things you're after, because you can search, whereas obviously you can't really do that with charity shops. That's kind of just a little hint. So yes, I've been looking on black jumpsuits, or looking on Depop for black jumpsuits, and I found a couple, but none I was super happy with. So I was happy to pay £10.99, because I knew if I bought one off Depop, it'd probably be around a tenner, and then I'd have to pay postage. So I was happy to spend a little bit more money, and it's such good quality. So I'm excited to try that one on. So this jumpsuit is such a win. It literally feels like I'm wearing pajamas. The material is so stretchy and comfortable. It's quite high necked, which is really good, because I find if I'm doing new clients, or if I'm doing a pedicure or something where I'm bending over, it's quite nice to have a little bit of a higher neck, just so I don't feel like my chest is on show. But this is so comfortable, and I could wear this every day very easily. I find this height is quite nice for a waistband. However, you can kind of pull it down or kind of shimmy it up depending on what you prefer. It doesn't have pockets, which is the only thing, because I feel like I'm feeling like it should have pockets, but obviously this is more of a dressy jumpsuit. I feel like it's meant to be, so of course it doesn't. But I really like it. I actually was a bit unsure how I'd like the neckline, but I actually think it's really flattering. And this is so good. Like, I know it's £10.99, it was a bit more expensive than kind of how much I normally pay in a charity shop. However, for work, I know this is going to be something I reach for constantly. It feels like it will wash well, and oh my gosh, I'm just thinking of all the treatments I'm going to do in this and be so free. And where it's kind of that slinkier material, however, it's not like skin tight slinky, it's kind of breathable slinky, which I feel like will keep me nice and cool when I'm doing massages and kind of treatments I get quite hot during. I know in a busy day I will love this. I can throw it on in the morning, don't have to think about coordinating anything together, and I know this will be comfortable and kind of see me through the day. So I'm so happy with this, and I'm really glad I picked it up, and I'm glad I kind of didn't get put off by the price, because I'm sure this is a lot more expensive new. So I'm super happy with this one. And then finally I have this basket, which is, I actually saw this, I went charity shopping a week or so ago with my friend, and I kind of looked at this and thought maybe I'll get it, maybe I won't. I nearly knocked down the whole shop getting it down, and I didn't get it, but it was only £1.50, and I remembered it from last time, and I came in and saw it was still there, and I was like, I'm gonna get it. Because I have loads of baskets. I have a basket of baskets, and I don't use them for ages. And then come Christmas time, birthdays, I love making hampers, and these are so good because you can kind of put, I don't know, maybe some films and some sweets, and kind of like a movie night hamper, or you could make a Pamper night hamper, and I just think it's really fun. I'm also thinking I'll probably do some sort of raffle for the salon, maybe for Christmas time, so I can maybe put some products in here. But yeah, I just thought this would be super handy. There's so many reasons I need baskets. I like to have in my bathroom for storage, in my bedroom for storage, everywhere. I love a basket, and you can never have too many. Although I do think I'm edging that way because I have got a ridiculous amount of them, but super handy, and I always gift these with Pampers, as I say, so they go eventually, and I always am in need of them and can't find one when I need one. So I've got a big collection now, so I should be okay for a while. But I also just love it. It looks a bit like Cane's or rattan, where it's kind of got the little hexagons, which I quite like, and it's a really nice sturdy basket, and it says it's made in China, but it's got kind of, I don't know where this is from, I don't recognise the label, so I don't know where this was from originally, but I just really like it, and it's super neutral, and to be fair, I might keep it on my side for now because I'm really happy with that. That is everything I picked up today. I really hope you enjoyed the haul. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't seen my recent videos, I've chatted about sustainable fashion, I've chatted about how to get clients if you're in the beauty industry. I've done a couple of different videos, and I'm aiming to try and mix up the content a little bit. Obviously, we know thrift hauls are always going to happen because I'm always thrifting, and I do kind of like to show you guys what I get because I get so many gems, and I always want you to kind of see the different gems you can get there. And I think the more we talk about it, the more people are more likely to go thrifting, and I think it's such a good way to shop. So yes, there will be a Depop haul coming your way soon, I'm sure. Just gotta wait for everything to arrive, but I do need to stop ordering stuff because I'm okay now and I don't need any more clothes. But anyway, really hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.